Hello everyone, I'm Joel, your host for Talking Trends, where we explore real estate trends as well as other luxury lifestyle trends in the greater Sarasota area. We hope that you'll also join us for our crazy cool property segments, where we focus on some of the most amazing properties for sale in the area. Today, the hot topic is going to be the real estate market for the third quarter of 22 and that market going forward. Before we dive into the details of the market, we want to say our thoughts and prayers are with all that were affected by Hurricane Ian. It was a terrible natural disaster, but we know together we will bounce back quickly like we always do in Florida. So let's get into the numbers. Every quarter, we explore the details of the luxury real estate market in Sarasota County. I break it down between single-family homes and condos, and then further by price point. Properties over $4 million, properties between $2 and $4 million, and finally, properties between $1 million and $2 million. When we compare year-to-date third quarter of 2022 to 2021, we see some interesting things. First and foremost, we have already recognized the market in 22 is not frenzied like it was in 2021, almost returning to a pre-COVID state of normalcy. Despite that, when we focus on the luxury market, there is little difference in the overall number of single-family homes sold from year to year, with the exception of the $1 million to $2 million price point, which is down roughly 11%. Where we see the changing trend is with inventory. For both single-family homes and condos, in every price category, inventory is up a minimum of 42% from year to year. In the case of homes over $4 million, it is up 118%, and for condos in the same price point, it is up by 90%. You might say, holy crap, this is a drastic shift in the market. However, keep in mind that inventory levels last year were at an all-time low. So while inventories at all price points are increasing, that inventory is still getting sold based on a high level of demand for properties in our area. I will let you study the numbers on your own, but just a couple additional comments about the stats before we talk about our market outlook. The stats for condo sales above $2 million are a bit skewed for 2021 due to the new Ritz and Epic buildings coming online in downtown Sarasota. We will continue to see big fluctuations of sales in the luxury condo market when additional buildings under construction come online. New buildings continue to sell out before they are completed, so demand remains strong. Average sales prices are relatively stable across all price points for both homes and condos, an indicator that while the market is still very engaged, the significant price pressure we experienced in 2020 and 2021 is dissipating. So looking forward, what do we see? We have lots of things impacting the market both locally and nationally. Some of the negatives for us, the impact of Hurricane Ian. Yet to be determined to a certain extent, we have certainly seen the practical implications of it in our market, meaning much harder to get insurance and those insurance costs are going up significantly. Other negative factors are interest rates. They have gone up significantly since last year and we expect them to continue to go up for the rest of this year. Stock market volatility, obviously it makes everybody nervous. Supply chain issues and shortages, again, we still have that issue, and with Hurricane Ian, we'll continue to see that for the foreseeable future. And of course, the slowing overall economy. On the flip side are the positives for us. First, the impact of Hurricane Ian. Again, we've already seen a migration of buyers to our market from southern markets. Real estate has historically been an inflation hedge, and we will continue to see that. Also, with the equity volatility in the market, we see a move towards hard assets like real estate. And of course, probably most importantly, inventory is still at historically low levels. And of course, Florida, just one of the fastest growing states population-wise. So again, there are many factors at work here, but the fundamental equation is still supply and demand. The supply of properties available for sale has risen this year, but still remains historically low, almost 30% below pre-pandemic levels. While inventory levels are higher, there is not a flood of new homes coming on the market, and there is no expectation that there will be a significant increase in homes available for sale. Even if demand settles into pre-pandemic levels, it would continue to be a solid market for the foreseeable future. Regarding prices, they are settling into a regular normalized rhythm based on market factors. Both sellers and buyers should realize that it continues to be a good market. For sellers, it means they will reap the benefit of prices readjusted to a new norm over the last couple years. For buyers, it means they will have more selection and more stability going forward. The reality is that many Americans, Canadians, and other multinationals covet beautiful locations like Sarasota and Manatee. It's all about supply and demand. Thank you for joining us today. We look forward to seeing you for the next segment of Talking Trends. Upcoming shows include a look at the insurance market post-Hurricane Ian and the importance of expert marketing of your luxury properties. See you then.